Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Patience. To my existing subscribers, welcome back. If this is your first time here, be sure that you click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be notified each time that I upload a new video. I want you to be able to continue to indulge in the Hot Bella experience. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing some of the new items that I've gotten. There's been a lot of new products that have come out this year. So one of the things that I've done is I went ahead and I started a new subscription. You guys know that I had already subscribed to the Morphe Brush Club. If you have not yet seen my video regarding that, I'll leave that here in the iCard above so that you'll be able to check that out. But my brush collection is now on point. I've got more than enough brushes, so I decided to venture out into some other subscriptions, and I decided to go with Boxy Charm. So there's been lots of good information out there about Boxy Charm. For my subscription, I'm starting off with only 3 months because I'm not quite sure whether or not it's something that I'd want to do for an extended period of time. It's probably going to end up being something that I'll do for an extended period of time because I'm a makeup lover, I'm a makeup enthusiast. I started my subscription about mid-August, and I thought that the first box that I would get would be the September box. But about a week and a half later, this box arrived. So this is their August box, and inside of this box, I got some really good stuff. And I'm so excited because I love opening packages and getting new products. But they sent some lashes. These lashes are from House of Lashes. I love lashes. These look really pretty. I love the fact that they are a bit flared on the outer edge and then kind of, you know, get a little bit shorter towards the inner corner. That is definitely my preferred style of lash. So I will definitely be using these. They also gave me, or in this box, there was this age-defying nail treatment. I've already used this. I could not wait. I've already used this, and this is cuticle oil, and it is sweet almond cuticle oil. I've already placed this on my nightstand and have started using it. As a makeup artist, I'm constantly washing brushes or constantly sanitizing my tools, and that really does dry my hands out quite a bit. So this cuticle oil is really going to help me out a lot. It also came with a palette, and this is the Party Animal palette. This is a palette from Laura Lee Los Angeles, and these are pretty bright and vivid colors. So I'm going to find a way to use these. So this is, we're rolling into the month of September. This is my birthday month, so I'm going to do something the whole entire month. So be sure that you guys subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell, because I'm going to go in with some really bold and daring looks, and I think that they're going to be fabulous. And I will try to find a way maybe to incorporate this palette into one of my looks. Also, I was super excited about these. These are called Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. And these are eye masks that are supposed to help to reduce the fine lines, wrinkles, and puffiness in the under eye area. You guys know my under eye area is one of my problem areas. In the Boxy Charm box for August, there were 3 packs of these Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. I've already used one of them already. So it said that you should use these maybe once or twice a week. So I'm going to use these and see if I can really see a difference or see if it helps with my under eye area. And if so, this may be one of those items that goes on my got to have, must have, gotta get it list. Also, I got in my Boxy Charm box a new lipstick. This is from Smashbox, Always On liquid lipstick, and this looks like a really pretty nude type of color. So this is really pretty. Always On, gotta have it. Gotta Light, I believe is what this is called. Yeah, Gotta Light is the color of this liquid lipstick. And it is a gorgeous nude type color. So let me see if I can give you a little swatch. I'm really not a swatch person, but if you can get a good look at this, it's really a pretty color. I'll be able to add one of my lip liners with this, and I think that it's gonna make for a really nice nude type of color, a nude lip color. So super glad to have that. And I also got, this is from Bang Beauty, and this looks like a cream eyeshadow is what it looks like. And this is in the color Chocolate. Okay, it's a gel eyeliner. And it's always really good to have a good brown gel eyeliner in your collection, because when you're going for a little bit softer look, a lot of times instead of going with a standard black eyeliner, it's really helpful to have a brown eyeliner instead. So I'll try to use this. If I can't use it as an eyeliner, I'll probably use it as a base, an eyeshadow base for one of those fall and winter looks that I plan on doing here on this channel. But yeah, so that's what came in my Boxy Charm box for August. I cannot wait to see what September has to offer. I have something else and I'm so excited about this. This is from Juvia's Place. So Juvia's Place just came out with some loose highlighters, and this is their Royalty loose highlighters. This box alone, I'm serious, I love the Juvia's Place packaging. Just looking at their packaging makes me want to adjust my posture. It makes me want to sit up straight. It makes me want to do all those things. But it's a beautiful package. And inside of this package, there are 2 highlighters. And I am definitely going to be using these highlighters as I move into my birthday month of September, and I'm doing some of those more bold looks. So there's 2 highlighters that come in this Royalty package, and if I can open them up, let's see. So this one, this packaging is really cute. So I'm not sure if you'll be able to see the color through here, and I don't want to open it because I don't want it to go all over the place, but this looks like more of a kind of champagne-y kind of color highlighter, if you guys can see that. So I'm definitely going to be using this. I'm definitely going to be putting this to good use. I'm going to be coming back and sharing these looks with you guys so that you'll be able to see it, see how it all works out. But yeah, love Juvia's Place and super excited to try out the highlighters. So that was kind of a champagne-y rose gold kind of color. This one looks to be a little bit more on the coppery side. Let's see. Ooh, but she is pretty. All right, so yeah, this is more of a copper, I want to say kind of a peachy gold kind of color, but absolutely beautiful. Cannot wait to get started to use, cannot wait to use these, but they're absolutely beautiful. The packaging, of course, like I said, is wonderful, very typical, the standard at this particular point, I would say, for Juvia's Place. So yeah, so I'm really excited about trying those out. And then I've got another item here, and this is coming from Harvey Prince Organics. So they reached out to me on Instagram and said, hey, you know, we'd like to send you a sample of this fragrance. And I was like, oh, okay, I'd like that. So this is what it looks like. And it's supposed to be one of those essential oil, organic type of fragrances. Let's see what you smell like. Oh, it's very soft kind of smell. Ooh, but I like it. It kind of reminds me of a musk with a little bit more of a floral type of finish to it. So yeah, we're going to be using this one. Anyway, I just wanted to share some of these new items with you guys, and hopefully you guys enjoy this type of video. And I do plan on using the items that I get from my monthly subscription, my monthly Boxy Charm subscription, and some of my looks that I'm going to do on this channel. And as I use them too, I'll be sure to point them out to let you know that, yeah, this is an item that came as part of my Boxy Charm box. So just in case you're interested in getting the box for that month, you'll know exactly what's in the box, or hopefully it'll work out well so that you can order that box to get that specific item. But as always, thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.